Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone relying on their Zebra MZ-220 label printer, the Diced AC Adapter Power. This particular adapter is designed to be fully compatible with models like the MZ-220, UB0, E020, and MZ-220 UB000, 1000, ensuring your label printing operations remain smooth and uninterrupted. One of the first things that stands out about this Diced adapter is its strong emphasis on safety. The manufacturer proudly states that their products comply with international quality certification authorities, meeting top industry standards. This isn't just marketing fluff. It translates into real-world protection for your valuable equipment. The adapter incorporates numerous safety mechanisms, including robust protection against short-circuiting, overvoltage, overcurrent, and even internal overheating. For anyone who's had an adapter fail or worry about power fluctuations, this level of built-in security offers significant peace of mind. It means you can plug in your Zebra MZ-220 and focus on your tasks, knowing that the power supply is stable and safeguarded. Delving into the technical specifications, the input for this adapter is a versatile AC 100-240V at 5060 Hz. This wide voltage range makes it suitable for use in various regions without needing a separate voltage converter, which is a convenient feature for those who might travel or operate in different locations. The design also boasts high power exchange efficiency, which is crucial for maintaining a stable working temperature. An efficient adapter runs cooler, which not only prolongs its own lifespan, but also contributes to the overall stability of the power delivery to your printer. Nobody wants an adapter that gets scorching hot during extended use, and this efficiency helps mitigate that concern. Physically, the Diced adapter comes in a sleek black color, a standard and unobtrusive choice that blends well with most office or workspace aesthetics. It features a wall mount design, which helps keep your workspace tidy by plugging directly into an outlet without extra cables dangling. The connector type specified for this adapter is USB Type-C. This is an important detail to note, as it indicates the specific interface through which it connects to your printer. As always, it's paramount to heed the manufacturer's kindly note. Please make sure that you choose the right device before purchasing. Double-checking your printer's power input requirements against this adapter's specifications, especially the USB Type-C connector, will ensure a perfect fit and optimal performance. In summary, for owners of the Zebra MZ-220 label printer looking for a reliable, safe, and efficient power solution, the Diced AC adapter presents itself as a compelling option. Its focus on international safety standards, broad input voltage compatibility, and efficient power delivery make it a solid choice to keep your essential label printer running smoothly day in and day out.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.